Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to make you through how to make someone an admin on Telegram. So to make someone an admin on Telegram, here's a simple step-by-step guide to do that. So the first you have to do is to open the Telegram app on your phone. Now once you open the Telegram app, then you click on the group or the Telegram channel that you want to make someone an admin. Then make sure you are the owner, or you also have an access to make an admin in a particular group. So for you to do that, actually I have a group being created by me. So I'm the admin of the group and also the owner of the group. Just created it because of this video. So I'm just going to tap on the group profile name, then tap on the edit icon. Then from there I'll scroll down, then tap on administrator. Then you can see right here I am the owner of this particular group, so I can also add admin to help me manage this group. So for me to add admin, I'm just gonna have to tap on add admin. Then actually I have two group members in this group, so for me to add an admin, I just have to tap on the name of the particular person I want to make an admin. Then from here I can simply give a grant access to what exact things they can do in the group based on the fact that they had the admin of this particular group. So here is the couple of things that I can assign them to do so that they won't have a full access to the group just like the owner. So the first thing is to change group info. I can give them access to change the group info, delete message, ban user, or invite users via a link. And also allow them to pin a message and also manage video chat. And I can also give them to remain anonymous and also add new members if they want. So if I want to be the only one to do that, I can just turn this off, which is already turned off. But if I want them to do that also, I want to give them access to do that, I just turn it on. And I can also transfer group ownership if I want, but I'm not going to do that for now. And that's how you can simply add how you can simply make someone an admin on Telegram. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.